I welcome all to my YouTube channel, and today we will be talking about emeralds. What emeralds look like and what are the various varieties of emeralds that are available, and also how you can differentiate between a fake and a real emerald, and what are the fakes available in the market which very closely resemble a emerald. So these things you should know, and these things we will talk about today. Emerald is one of the 9 precious stones which are used in astrology. Emeralds are also used in jewelry in a big way from times immemorial. Emerald strings, emerald gemstones, emerald ringstones, emerald earrings, emerald beads, necklaces have been used through the ages by queens and kings, and they have been valued on a very big scale, and it is very highly valued gemstone. Astrologically, it has been used since Vedic times. In Rig Veda, there are mantras which talk about emerald, and emerald is a very effective gemstone for enhancing the strength of Mercury in a particular chart. It has a particular impact on our nervous system. It strengthens the nervous system, and it helps the person think in a more wise, calm, proper manner. It is a very useful gemstone and is worn by all people across the industries, across the stratas of society. It is a gemstone which gives wealth to a person. In Hindu mythology, it is considered to be ruled by Lord Ganesha, and Lord Ganesha is the ruler of wealth for a person. So those who want to increase their wealth, they generally wear emerald stone. For improving the creativity of the person, also this gemstone is used. You will see a number of actors and actresses wearing this gemstone because it improves their communication skills, their ability to convey what they want to convey, their body language, and all those things. So this is a very useful gemstone. It improves the ability to speak. It improves the ability to impress the other person. So it is widely used in astrology. It comes in various qualities, from very low budget. Nowadays you can say from a budget of 11,000 rupees per 1100 rupees per rati, going up till 70,000-80,000 rupees per rati. It has various qualities and various varieties available in it. But because it is a precious gemstone, number of people try to sell fakes which look similar to an emerald. There is a particular gemstone by the name of beryl. You must understand this point very clearly, that every emerald is a beryl. If you see the certificate of an emerald, it will be clearly written natural emerald, a variety of beryl. Beryl is a superset and emerald is a subset. Means beryl is within the category of beryl. Number of gemstones are there. There is a plain beryl, then aquamarine stone is also a beryl, emerald is also a beryl. So all these are beryls, but emeralds are the most costly variety, and in astrology only emeralds are used for particular purpose, and that is to enhance the strength of Mercury. If we see these beryls, they look something like this, and they are very clear, and their certificate will say natural beryl. and people will generally be misguided because an emerald is also beryl, but this is only a beryl. There are some cheap varieties also which look very much like normal cheap emeralds. These are the gemstones, but they are very cheap. They are not emeralds, but they are beryls, but they are sold as emeralds. Then there is another stone which is by the name of green onyx, that is also sold as an emerald. But actual emeralds are more costly, and they are the only effective gemstones for enhancing the strength of mercury. If you see, there are particular gemstones. If we see a very high quality emerald, it will look something like this. It is transparent, clear, has a water which has a shine inside. Then there are cheaper versions of emerald. They won't have transparency in them, but they will be translucent. Then there are very low quality emeralds also, but they are also effective. They are much better than beryls or onyx or any other gemstone which we may be talking about. So when you are buying an emerald, be sure that you buy a genuine emerald and not a fake or a look-alike gemstone. Secondly, while buying an emerald, there are 2-3 things which are very important which you should take into consideration. Number one, a natural emerald, even if it is very costly, will not look like a piece of glass. It will have inclusions inside. It will have some feather-like structures. It will have some inclusions which makes it look different than a very transparent stone. Because number of people who are buying yellow sapphires or blue sapphires, they generally want that if they can get a yellow sapphire in a particular amount which is transparent, clear, then why can't they get a similar gemstone which is emerald and that is also clear and transparent? But that is not possible. A good quality emerald, even if it is quite costly, having a lot of shine inside and is watery, but it still will have more inclusions than a blue sapphire or a yellow sapphire. Emeralds are mainly the emeralds that are coming in the market and are commercially available are of 3 varieties. One are from Brazil. This is a Brazilian emerald. This is a Brazilian emerald of good quality. It is more green. This is a Brazilian emerald. It is more green. Then there are Colombian emeralds. Colombian emeralds have a little tinge of blue in them. They are slightly blue, bluish green color they have. So they can be differentiated easily by naked eye because they have a little tinge of blue in them. Then there is another variety which is from Colombia in South America, and this is known as Colombian emeralds. It is light green in color. You can say parrot green. So these gemstones look in good, but every gemstone is from different mines, so it will have some difference in it. Look, this is also a Zambian emerald, but of a very good quality. Still, you can see it has certain inclusions. One. Number two, it will have a certain amount of blue color in it. So that differentiates an Zambian emerald and a Brazilian emerald. A Brazilian emerald will always be deep green in color, like this. You can see. These are the qualities of emeralds, and these are its effects. Those who are born in the zodiac sign of Gemini or Virgo must wear a emerald all their life, because that will be very, very beneficial for them. Gemini and Virgo people have a lot of stress on their nervous system. They think a lot, they want a lot of things, they have a lot of communication, issues also sometimes. So they should always wear an emerald. It will support them through the life. Those who are born in the zodiac sign of Saturn, which are Capricorn and Aquarius, they should also wear an emerald. And those who are born in the zodiac signs of ruled by Venus should also wear emerald. Those signs are Taurus and Libra. So these people should also wear a good emerald, and that will support them through the life. One of the very important jobs that an emerald is supposed to do is to give you a internal calmness. It will improve your overall strength of the nervous system. It will make you calm. It will improve your nervous strength. It will improve your mental strength. It will give you a better mathematical ability. It is said that those children who are not doing well in mathematics should always wear an emerald, because that will improve their mathematical ability. A strong Mercury gives a very different kind of intelligence level, and for that a good emerald is always helpful. Those who are having problems in married life because of communication issues should also wear an emerald. It will help them in number of ways. I thank you all for your valuable time that you have given on this channel. Thank you all.